Today, we're diving into the incredible world of salmon, a superfood that's not just delicious, but packed with amazing health benefits. First off, salmon is a powerhouse when it comes to omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are crucial for your body, aiding in everything from brain health to reducing inflammation. Imagine a natural ingredient that not only tastes great, but also helps keep your mind sharp and your joints pain-free. But that's not all. Salmon is also rich in protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. So, if you're hitting the gym or just trying to stay active, incorporating salmon into your diet could be a game changer. It's like fueling your body's engine with the best possible oil, making sure it runs smoothly and efficiently. Now let's talk vitamins. Salmon is loaded with B vitamins, which play an integral role in turning the food you eat into energy, creating new blood cells, and maintaining a healthy brain function. And who wouldn't want a bit of extra brain power and energy to tackle their day? Salmon is also a fantastic source of vitamin D, often hard to get from food alone. Vitamin D is vital for bone health and immune function, acting almost like a shield, protecting your body against various health issues. With salmon, you're not just enjoying a meal, you're fortifying your body's defenses. And let's not forget selenium, a mineral found abundantly in salmon. Selenium helps protect your bones, decreases thyroid antibodies, and plays a key role in maintaining a healthy immune system. It's like having a secret weapon in your diet against potential illnesses. Whether grilled, baked, or even raw in sushi, salmon is versatile and easy to prepare. You can toss it into a salad, stir it into pasta, or simply have it as a steak with a side of veggies. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, salmon isn't just another fish in the sea. It's a nutrient-dense superfood that can boost your brain, protect your body, and even help keep your energy levels high throughout the day. So why not make salmon a regular part of your diet and unleash all these incredible benefits?